There I was, standing in front of the camera, a little nervous but incredibly excited. On the floor beside me, my newest treasure, a stunning pair of pumps, glossy and elegant, waiting to be worn. I slowly slipped my foot in, feeling the smooth lining embrace me. As I pushed down and stood up, the heel lifted me higher, not just physically, but inside too. I felt a rush, that familiar little spark that always ignites when I wear heels. It's hard to explain to someone who doesn't know this feeling. The mix of power, elegance, and a touch of daring. The camera was rolling, but in that moment, it didn't matter. I wasn't performing, I was being myself. I walked carefully at first, letting my feet find the rhythm. The sound of the heels on the floor, the way they made me move more gracefully, the way they shaped my posture, all of it made me feel complete. I caught a glimpse of myself in the mirror. It wasn't just the pumps, it was how they made me feel. Confident, proud, beautiful. Every step was a small celebration of my love for these shoes, and for the part of myself that blooms whenever I wear them. This wasn't just a try-on video. It was a little love story between me and the pumps, captured forever.
Mr. Verse on the